Hello everyone, another day, another vlog in Milan, Italy. As you can see guys, the color of the apartments is purple and white. And guys, there is a television, there's a beautiful kitchen, big dining, and extra sofa bed. And there is a complete utensils, pwede kayo dyan magluto. There is a oven. And we are going to the room, the big room. There is a free Wi-Fi. And there is a balcony. If you want to chill outside and fresh air. And then there is a big closet. This is the bathroom, and there is a washing machine, shower room. There is a tissue, and this is a storage room. Thank you for watching.